Tree of life.
My name is Aaron. I'm joined by my friends. We have Amanda, Dan, and Keegan over there on the far end. The more importantly, our feathered superstars have joined us here now. I invite you to come on in. This is going to be a little bit of a modified wing encounter, just because our birds have been enjoying it this nice humid day, flying all over Animal Kingdom. You might have heard them and seen them all over the place. But we have a blue-throated macaw joining us here now. This looks like Ryu, and then we have Paris and Chowder. These are green-winged macaws, and this is a blue-throated macaw. This is 2 out of 8 different species of macaw that we're able to share with you here at Wing Encounters. And I invite you to have your phones out ready to go, because you never know if they might join our trainers out there on their perches, which is an opportunity, just like Chowder's doing right now, for you to get a nice up-close and in-person video here at Wing Encounters. Now, you might be noticing that all of the trainers are giving them all of their favorite treats for the behaviors that we like to see out here at Wing Encounters, and that's positive reinforcement training at play. So we train, communicate, and build relations with all of the animals that we care for here at Wing Encounters. Now, we work with close to 90 individual animals each and every day, 3 different flocks of birds that we're able to share with you. And again, that's 8 different species amongst them that we're able to share. And like that bird out there with Dan, the blue-throated macaw, that represents the rarest species of macaw that you can find out in wild places today. So be sure to get photos of that bird. It looks like the Ryu out there. One of our quite a few blue-throated macaws that we're able to share. There's fewer than 400 blue-throated macaws left out in Bolivia, where they're native to, which is a country in South America. And we're working with the World Parrot Fest, which is an organization that is diligently helping parents all around the world to boost their numbers up so that we all have the abilities to hopefully see skies that are full of all different types of parrots. Now, there's over 200 different species of parrot. There isn't just one parrot, so macaws are types of parrots. But you can find parrots on multiple continents. Typically, parrots like these you're going to find in South America, Central and South America, all over the place. And that bird right there, the green-winged macaw out there with Amanda, Paris, and Chowder, they are the most widespread when it comes to macaws in wild places. So you're going to find this species in a lot of different countries out there, compared to like the blue-throat, where you can only find them in a very small part of Bolivia.